Hi, webMethods provides a free trial version of their product. You can download this product from their official website and install this on your local machine. In this video, we'll be covering how you can register for an account in SoftwareAG and download their trial product. Now, open your browser and search for webMethods trial. We'll now go to the tech community page of SoftwareAG. We'll click on try free and then select webmethods integration. We can now see the webmethods download page. We'll click on free trial. Now you would need an account on tech community to download the product. So let's go and register. You can enter your email address that you want to use. Click on confirm email. Now once you have completed the form, you can go to your email ID and you will get a link. You can click on this link and it will take you to tech community registration form. You can fill up this form with your personal details. You can then select the area of interest. Right now, we are interested in the webmethods integration platform and the documentation for the same. You can just specify a reason. You can now click on register. Great. Now, this might take some time for your account to get activated. You can now log on or sign in into tech community page and see if your account is active. Great. So congrats on creating your tech community account on SoftwareAG. You can now click on try free and webmethods integration. You can now click on free trial. You might again have to fill few details in the form. You can now click on submit. Now, in this page, you'll get multiple links to download various components of the trial package. Well, the very first thing is the Windows archive. Now, this is the actual product archive and the installer. You would also need the trial version license keys, and you can download this from this page. Remember, you need all these three components to install webmethods in your machine. We'll wait for the download to finish. It might take some time depending on your network bandwidth. Now once the download is complete, you should see three files installed in your downloads folder. The first is the integration free trial license keys. The second is the actual webmethods product. And the third is the webmethods SoftwareAG installer. With this video, we have seen how you can register an account in tech community and how you can download the webmethods trial version. Thank you.